Hey guys, how's it going? It's X666X Iron Maiden, and we are back today with more Sabaton. This is Birds of War. Alright guys, so up to Birds of War. It's going to be another video by the same guy that did a video yesterday for Thunder Gods. Well, as we've seen, the lyrics... Oh, sorry, I'm messing up. It wasn't even... was it Thunder Gods we did yesterday? See, I'm so lost in my days because I opened today. Now I'm doing these recordings late at night. But anyway, the same guy we did yesterday from who fucked up a bunch of the words, so looking forward to finding mistakes in this one. Birds of War, though, as usual, this guy doesn't have any information here. I think this one is the version from Fist for Fight, and not from Metalizer, just because that's what it says here for music. So this could actually be the demo version, since Fist for Fight was the demo. So let's jump in and see how this one is. Doing a lot of old school ones lately, so it's fun. Hopefully it'll get me into old school Sabaton more than when I first started listening to them. Well, this is definitely a demo version. Oh, nice. I like the bass. That bass part's sweet. This one's like a lot of the other older ones, though. It seems like it's not going to be a daily playlist one so far. And it's not even because it's a demo track. It's actually like that rawness for this track, just the way it is. It sounds good with that raw demo tape feel to it. There you go. That was Birds of War by Sabaton, the demo version from Fist for Fight. At first I wasn't sure how it was going to be because you could hear right off the bat that it was definitely a demo tape. But it actually sounded good as a basically coming off raw. Coming off super raw. It fit the heaviness of the track I found, and that was about it for me for the things that stood out. Though I mean, it was a decent track. It's just like a lot of the older tracks. Like they're decent tracks, but if they would be on a daily playlist, not so much. They just kind of flow through. So I don't think like Fist for Fight, and I know there's a few songs off Metalizer that I have enjoyed. And some of the other albums there, like there's obviously songs I enjoyed that would make it, but I don't think I would ever grab like the full album and throw it on my phone and have just listen to the full album. Really. Update though, I do have the discography now grabbed, so I can give that a listen as soon as we're all done. I can finally listen to everything, but right now I still have to watch what I listen to. So I've mostly been listening to Live in Woodstock, Live Empire, and just skipping. I think there's like a couple of songs on there that I still have to do. I think anyway. I could be wrong. I was playing it at work today, and so I'm finally listening to Sabaton, not on the channel, officially, and it's been cool. It's cool. I like listening to it at work. It's great pump up music when you're trying to get through a long day, like the 11+ hour day I had today. So yeah, just so you guys know, we're finally listening to it on our own. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this one, even if it wasn't completely my cup of tea for Sabaton. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to see more from me. And as always, you guys have a good one. I'll catch you later.